Whenever I have collards at my favorite Ethiopian restaurant, I think about the southern collards I make around the holidays or for barbecues. So today I'm blending the two. I'm taking the spiciness of Ethiopian collards and adding smoky vibes, the kind you'd find in traditional southern greens. Let's begin in Ethiopia. Pulse tomato, onion, jalapeno, ginger, and garlic in a food processor. Then pull out a big pot and saute all the minced veg in olive oil. Trust me, this smells heavenly. And now to the collards. You can buy them like this, or you can do what I do and buy them pre-chopped in a big old bag. Now I will say there's something kind of nice about buying them this way, especially if you've got a kitchen full of friends and family who are going to help you trim them and wash them and cook them on up. But today, it's just you and me, so we're going with the bag. Now, even if you do buy them like this, we need to chop them into smaller pieces. We are not going to stew these for hours and hours like your southern grandma told you to do. We need these to break down in just a few minutes, so we are going to chop them into smaller bits. Here's why we need that big pot, so we can pile in the collards. They will shrink down quite a bit. A pound will yield 2 or 3 cups of cooked greens. We need some salty and smoky to meet the southern requirements for our dish, and that's usually accomplished with a ham hock. But a great shortcut is ham bouillon. Today I'm using a vegan powdered version, but they're all pretty salty, so we need to go slow. Start with a teaspoon and then taste it. If you think it needs salt, then I'd actually add some salt versus more bouillon. Too much bouillon might make it too smoky. Once the greens have cooled and they look like this, add a splash of vinegar. When serving this up, give your guests 2 options. With injera, a sour flatbread made from teff flour, or with cornbread. The southern collards I had growing up were delicious, but this remixed Ethiopian spin is next level, and a new family favorite.